Power BI for hybrid work environments. Power BI in this paradigm shift, it becomes evident that the platform's adaptability extends beyond traditional business intelligence. The essence of hybrid work lies in striking a delicate balance between accessibility and collaboration, and Power BI is at the forefront of facilitating this equilibrium. Collaborative reporting in Power BI. Collaborative reporting in Power BI emerges as a key facet in fostering teamwork and ensuring that decision-makers, whether working in the office or remotely, can collectively engage with and derive insights from shared data. Data accessibility in hybrid work. Power BI's cloud integration transforms it into a dynamic and accessible hub for business intelligence. Security. Another critical aspect of data accessibility is addressed through Power BI's robust measures. Effective data communication in virtual teams. Effective data communication is a cornerstone of success in virtual teams, where the ability to convey complex information clearly and engagingly becomes paramount. Power BI's visual storytelling capabilities play a pivotal role in enhancing data communication within virtual teams. Collaborative interpretation is another dimension where Power BI excels in the realm of virtual teamwork. Power BI mobile app for on-the-go insights. The Power BI mobile app serves as a catalyst for seamless decision-making, offering a personalized and intuitive experience that extends the power of data analytics beyond the confines of the office. Power BI mobile app is its adaptability to various devices, including smartphones and tablets. Security measures in Power BI for remote work. Power BI's role-based access controls, RBAC, offer a granular and flexible approach to managing user permissions. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, further enhances the security of remote access to Power BI. Customizing Power BI for hybrid team workflows. Customizing Power BI for hybrid team workflows is the ability to create personalized dashboards and reports that cater to the diverse requirements of team members. The integration of Power BI with other collaborative tools, such as Microsoft Teams, further enhances customization possibilities. Customized workflows in Power BI also extend to the establishment of automated processes and alerts. Hybrid work analytics. Hybrid work analytics, facilitated by tools such as Power BI, play a pivotal role in helping businesses understand, measure, and optimize the effectiveness of their hybrid work models. Hybrid work analytics, powered by tools like Power BI, empower organizations to navigate the complexities of a dispersed workforce. Conclusion. In conclusion, the advent of hybrid work has ushered in a transformative era for organizations, necessitating innovative approaches to collaboration, decision-making, and data analysis. The collaborative reporting features of Power BI provide a real-time, interactive platform for teams, fostering a shared understanding of data and facilitating informed decision-making across dispersed work environments.